Good evening, everybody. Let me back out a little bit. So what we're having tonight, it's Wednesday. So we made it over the hump because the work day is actually over. So I have here, Albertsons had their catfish on sale for $4.99. The sale ended yesterday. So I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I have 6 fillets. So what I need to do is pat them dry. I thought I had, but it's still water in the bottom. So I want to pat them dry because what I'm going to do is air fry them along with a green salad for tonight. Sorry if you can hear the washer in the back. I work all week, and so I don't like any dirty clothes in my house when it's raining, especially towels. And that's what I have dirty. So I'm patting this dry. Paper towels. Kroger, it's the lighter olive oil, lighter flavor. I'm just going to put this on there, rub it in good. Okay, so now for seasonings, cayenne pepper. This is actually cayenne pepper and it's onion powder theme because the thing I have, it just dumps right out. So I saved that once it was finished. I'm using the Badia Adobo seasoning. I'm going to use a little accent. I know a lot of people don't like MSG. I do use it. And then I have this Badia Saison Tropical. Y'all, I put this on my fish one time and oh my goodness, it is so good. I don't know what. Okay, there it is, a better angle. Very, very, very good. And it says on here, can you see it? It says good on meat, poultry, and fish. And trust me, it is good. So, I'm going to start off with the Saison. And I have another kind in there, but it's for stews and stuff like that. I thought I was going to be able to use it on here, but it don't say for meat. So I'm not going to use it because I don't want to mess it up. This is hard in here. You know how your seasoning sometimes cake up? I can't stand that. But anyway, we're going to season with that. And sodium in here is 75 milligrams, so it's not very much sodium. But I'm having a hard time getting it out. A little cayenne pepper, because I like a little kick. Just a little, you don't need a whole. Now, if you like it real spicy, you can use more than that. A little accent. A little adobo. And so now we're going to turn it over and do the exact same thing to the other side. I have some of this Emeril seasoning. It has paprika in it. I'm going to use that. See how it gives it more color? And also I am going to put, you know what, y'all? I put onion and garlic powder on everything. So I don't know why I don't have that out. But yes, indeed, we're going to do onion and garlic powder. What are you thinking about? Okay, so that's plenty of seasoning on there. And I also want to use a little parsley for color. Alright, so now I have this olive oil and the spray. I don't know if I showed y'all this. I like the Pam olive oil spray. It's organic. Spray this. Hopefully it's enough. You gotta shake it up. Okay. Now our fish in here. When you don't spread it out right, you're gonna have some spots. that are not seasoned. And so I want my seasoning all over it.